this plastic here so we can see the compressor. Just right there. Now we're gonna remove this fender liner here. Alright, here's our clutch. Let's put some WD-40 there, because we're going to remove the clutch so that we can see what's going on there. Probably just a rust buildup, so we'll see. Alright, so here's the tool that I use. As you can see there, 14mm. We're going to hook it up in there. So we're gonna do this so many times. So we're gonna try this. Alright, so now we got the nut out. Should be able to pull out the clutch. So as you can see, this clutch plate, it's warped. So what we're going to do, we're going to sand this. We're going to sand this really good, right? Because what happened now is that this is not completely flat, so we're going to grind this to the grinder to make it flat. And same time as this one, we're gonna make it flat. So here it is. It's not perfect, but it's flat enough. So we'll see. So it is. Put it back. Also, what I did is now because the clutch is been sanded. Pretty much we take a little bit of material there. So there is a washer between the clutch and the magneto. I removed this washer so that I will have more the clutch will be a lot closer now to the magneto, and it will going to grab the plate here very quickly, because without the washer, again, this washer no longer needed because we take a lot of material here. So we'll see. So as you can see now, even though we took the washer out, right, the clutch still not in good, because again we already take a lot of material. When it's new without the washer, the plate will be hitting the magneto and it will spin. That was the reason of the washer. So now, because we takes a lot of material, you no longer need that washer. If you put that washer, now it's gonna be so far out to the magneto, the clutch plate. So now we're going to turn on the AC and we'll see how fast that goes. There it is. And it's spinning a lot better right now. It's spinning a lot straighter. Before it was a little bit wobbly. This video helped, please consider to subscribe, like and share, all that good stuff, so we can grow this channel and hopefully help more people. See you next video.